Jai Srimanarayana. 15th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Rajasi pralayam gatva karma sangishu jayate तथा प्रलीनः तमसि मूढयोनिषु जायते। ओम Realize that if the Rajogunam and Tamogunam is predominant at the time of departure from this body, they will be going into the bodies wherefrom they will not be able to realize the ultimate purpose of the life and get eternal bliss. That is why make sure Sattvika Gunam is always predominant in you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall start taking steps to improve Sattvika Gunam in me, and I shall make sure Sattvika Gunam is always predominant in me. Ho Krishna, O Sriman-Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman-Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam. Devim Saraswatim Vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 276th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when all the cows and Gopalas went into unconsciousness after drinking the poisonous water, Krishna Paramatma with his divine grace made all of them again come back alive. Then Krishna Paramatma realized that Yamuna water is poisoned by Kaliya, one of the serpent. Then Vilokya Dushitam Krishnam Krishnaha Krishnahina Vibhuhu. Realizing that, Krishna Paramatma decided to send Kaliya away from that Yamuna river, and he sent Kaliya away. Like that, when Sri Sukha Yogindra said, immediately Parikshin Narendra asking like this, "O Yogindra, how did Krishna Paramatma sent Kaliya away from that Yamuna river? How did Krishna Paramatma got into such deep waters and did suppressed Kaliya and sent away? Please tell me that story in detail." "O Yogindra, Gopala Udara Charitam Kaha Trupyeta Amrutam Jushan Turrulaga Chinananduni Kurrani Charitamrutambu Gunakoni Chevulan Jurranga Tanivi Kalgune Virrulakainanu Dalampa Vipravarenya." "O Yogindra, Krishna Paramatma, who is the son of Nanda, who takes care of cows, such Krishna Paramatma's divine, miraculous, glorious stories are like nectar. And we will be listening to those stories with our ears to fullest satisfaction. While doing that, we will never be able to say, 'This is enough.' Nobody will be able to say, 'This is enough to listen. We do not want to listen anymore.' Nobody will get satisfied, and nobody feels that it is enough. Even if there is any mad person, anyone who has his mind under his control, if at all that person also listening to Krishna Paramatma's glorious stories, even that person also will never say no, will always be craving to listen to the nectar-like divine stories of Krishna with his ears to his fullest satisfaction." Like that, Parikshin Narendra asking Sri Sukha Yogindra that, "O Yogindra, that is why please describe me Kaliya Mardana story and tell me every detail." Like that, Parikshin Narendra asking. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 15th sloka. Rajasi pralayam gatva karma sangishu jayate tadha pralinastamasi mudhayonishu jayate. Rajasi pralayam gatva karma sangishu jayate tadha pralinastamasi mudhayonishu jayate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.